kajika di komputer bat di laptop kabahajan jongpi. Hapaham sim nongpo Riboy District marpersya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School. Wantit nangi ngin airu kawaranti. Hendriu banaya ki laptop bat khatar banaya ki desktop. Kini ki digimar refurbish lane ki all stock.
Banlong ka jing le kamen lang ringkat bat ki khna namar ka lungkhu sngi le kamen jongi khna yak bala tep kum ka children's day menta ka sngi ka khat saw trik nai wiang arajar psaw ka Xavier Secondary School Jarasi Riboy District ka pelong ya ka jing rakhe ya ka children's day bat ka parents day bat ha ka ju ka por ka jing ai khublei lani ka farewell ya ki khna puli ka ni ka school ki bala ala ban pendap ya ka class 10 na ka ni ka school hakani ka sngi la yo ban play ka podium ka bala no asngo bahado ba Rocky Marwen bat ya ka library ka bala no asngo bahadak Bharati Airtel Foundation ka bala wan ban mi khmat da ka kong Mitchell Shadam kum ka jing ai museum ya ki khana school bat ya ki nong pnya jong ka ni ka school lai don lang ru ba Rocky Marwen kum kongsan bat ka sumbut kongsan ka kong Mitchell Shadam ka headmistress jong ka school ka kong Margaret Jorwa ki noin kai jong school ringkat ki kami ki pa jong ki khana school.
Kani kasih ke bakerpang ba irakhe ya kasih hagaba ila kasih jogi kena bagi tip kom kata children's day ba kwa banong hangni ba kadon ka kintin ka baong a good education can change anyone but a good teacher can change everything. Kapabot, kajing hikai kababha, kala banpen kala, yano. Henry kajing hikai, kap kinong hikai kibabha, kila banpen kala, hakino kibenta. Tidak nama takadam, kajing shimkia, kajing no senyang, jong kinong hikai, kata komitmen kabakidon, kapenong ya kikmiki kepa. Ban syanya ban pai khun ki jongpi hakni ka school Xavier ki jongi ban habangawan ban rakhi ban pet ya ka jimpen kre ka jongpi ban habangai ya ki performance ki bakikna ki perform bat ki peni ya ka sab ka jongki na i bakat no kani ka school kadon kata ka jingkermen bat kumbangan ka school kala syakri ya kani ka dong ba ki jongi nangit bahagi si banangwan nila banyo shibun ya kikena bat yo tau sok bangin sapsay na kaniga school kechangi kanong kikiro kaba kung kikimi kikpa kidan kebenta kaba kerpang bakum mga ong ya rajing syanya kajongpi ya kaniga school nomor kampun senhi ba kikun ki jongi ki kampenut ya kapor ke jongki haki school kesni ke babun ke jongi kun ki jongi babun ki kenta ki dei hapo school bat hadin ba kikun ki lami na ki ying ki jongi ki dei ki nong hika ki ba ki ba shem ya benda jongki kui ki pa lada kamdon kata ka bonding Lada kamdan kata kejingshanya hapeng kikmi kikpa bat kinong hikai. Lada kamdan kata nung jingit rilang hapeng kikmi kikpa bat kinong hikai. Nginam la ban penlong ya kata ke good institution. Nginam la ban penlong ya kata ke syam jihikai ke babha. Lada ngimit rilang kapunkan. Bat kejingno senyang jong kinong hikai. Kejingshanya jong kimi kipa. Kapenlong ya ke skul bakan angkil irat syafrang. Bak ngakermen ba kecil trilang baru karena menonra ia uso jom jingjab dengan mesin dia kapor kinong keren giblakan syakmat kila keren sultanat nadu Imes Mitchell ibala batai sepang jingno senyang jom Bharti Foundation ni kan library belaga pri na jingno senyang jom ki lengba lada nambakla lengba CSR project kejokki bat ngalayo so ya kejingkren jong bobon syakmat kinong kren kila kren sultanat kamtam kejingkren jong kong civilian pudi ibala ong bangam tanang ban kren kendra kejingkren ke jogi kala kelum lambar rokhat bat kejingkren ma sultanat. We cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for a better future. Nginama bangkay man kapor kalaway bapnay yakikon kijongi and return in kay yakikon kijongi nagamanta kalaway bapnay kijongi kata ka message ka bang paang kong Margaret Jarwa kong headmistress nginay itre rengkat bang nakakbo katong hakmat bang nyuma la ublay misnay baru punya dan ki yang jing anggur kejonga nanam klet ini ke school bak nganawan jengok na kapor sa kapor kani di tengah jing sedang jong kejing ya MG ada don kemensin ban sakri nila ban le sibur ki gibaro tamagidon kam ya kejing trela.
And we mainly focus on 4 pillars, and that is the student engagement, teachers engagement, parents and community involvement, and also the school environment. So that's a brief about the place I work or about the Bharti Foundation. So today it's a very special day as we celebrate the inauguration program of the new library and also the podium, as well as we are celebrating our Children's Day. So the library and the podium. This library, I'm sure, it will provide a great place or a wonderful place for our students so that they can learn, explore, grow. While the podium is a place where the students, they can showcase their talent as they are doing it now. They can showcase their talent and also speak confidently as well as learn or develop different kind of skills. So today on this special occasion of Children's Day, I encourage each of you to encourage you can encourage yourself or motivate yourself to learn and also to dream big, to take each and every opportunity, to embrace each and every opportunity so that you can learn, you can dream big, and also to make the most of the resources around you. So on this day, I thank you, all of you, for welcoming me, and also let all of us be one and continue to work together.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ni pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phone singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru ar nyau lai